There are a number of things you may see before your consultation at Bumrungrad. A warm welcome with a smile. A thorough explanation of your upcoming surgery from doctors and nurses ready to answer any question, so that you feel well prepared in advance of your operation. But this is only the start. Our dedicated team comes into its own while you sleep peacefully. The moment you drift off to sleep, our real work begins. We draw on Bumrungrad's vast surgical expertise and experience to provide you with treatment of the highest standards. Because of this expertise, we are the only training center for endoscopic spinal surgery in Asia. And in collaboration with prominent surgeons from Germany, we have conducted endospine workshops for the last 10 years, training over 2,000 spine surgeons from around the world. Our highly qualified surgeons work with a multidisciplinary team of medical professionals specializing in treatment and care of the spine, and a specially trained team of nurses. We use the latest technology, including the O-arm surgical imaging system, allowing surgeons to view the bones clearly from every angle on their computer screen, so that they can greatly increase effectiveness in planning, as well as the accuracy of procedures by up to 99.8%. All completed with expertise and state-of-the-art modern technology and accreditation by the US-based Joint Commission International. All of this happens while you are sleeping, so that you wake up already on your way to recovery. The Bumrungrad Spine Institute.